Hi guys, welcome back to Speed Meals Culinary Channel. In today's video we are going to be making spring rolls.
To mix it, then we parboil it.
Here we have our cabbage and our carrots. So the reason why we are actually parboiling is to kill the germs from the cabbage.
It's time to cook the spring roll sauce. We finish boiling it, then it's time to fry. Cabbage, the parboiled cabbage to it. The cabbage 100 spring roll, not chicken or not cubes that we are making. You know they are always double inside, so you are going to make use of 10 of that double. Either not chicken or no, ordinary no. That 2 cubes inside one, you are making use of 10 of it. That's 20 cubes. We are adding salt. Refer to your book. Salt, sugar, and Maggi. One third. Your 1/3 cup. This is 2. So 3 of your 1/3 cup. 3. So like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You mix it well. So all the items are going to agree with each other. So now we mixed it well. Then you are going to put it back into the sieve. Our spring roll sauce, or filling, as some people call, is ready. You can have a taste, please. Eat with too much water and it's watery, is useless. If you don't mix with the current proportion of water, it is useless. So you have to mix it and have a paste-like texture, like a toothpaste. A toothpaste texture. You don't need it to rise one bit. And mind you, the best flour for this is confectionery. There is another one, mix and bake. This is the sprinkle wrap.